Well TV. Oh, have that cheeseburger, baby.
Yo, what's up, man? It's your boy Jay Jones, coming straight out of Pasadena, California, and you watching Win TV, where win is now. Straight up. That's right.
From Chicago to Texas, it's all the same thing, nigga. Cabo the Kid. The rules on this side of town.
The rules on the side of town.
The rules on this side of town. Gun up or get gunned down. First 48, nobody found. Maybe a head, but wasn't nobody's body found. They interviewed the killer and he say he love them gun sounds. Kids killing kids and that's raising up the murder count. Shorty 16 and he's slanging out his mama's house. Started doing good 2 days, he sold a half ounce. Met a bad bitch, blew the cuss, now they laying down. 9 months later had twins weighing 8 pounds. Never told his mom the real situation going down. Beef in the streets, saw they see the guns coming out. Family of the victim crimes, prosecutor read accounts. Judge threw the book at him, told security take him out. Looking at his lawyers like, what the fuck is this about? Never told his mom that Brenda had them babies by the time she found out he was upstate doing
Hey, the next thing I'm doing on Win TV is called Baby Mama's Gone Wild. So if you see your kids on my thing, or you see your bitch on your thing, on my thing, you need to holler at your boy, cause I'm probably fucking your bitch.
Can a bitch get a hot dog?
From Chicago to Texas.